Today, Catholic Charities of Southern Nevada and Caesars coming together to unveil brand new delivery trucks for the Meals on Wheels. Take a look. These refrigerated trucks will help supply meals to more than 2,300 Southern Nevada seniors. The new trucks were all made possible thanks to a $1 million donation from Caesars, and it was sourced by parking fees at companies' properties.
This allowed us to continue to sustain this program with additional infrastructure for the program, trucks, equipment, kitchen equipment, and certainly food costs. Again, we're at about $7 a meal, all in. And so that's a wonderful, efficient date as it relates to the cost structure.
The average age of someone who needs Meals on Wheels is in their mid-70s. In Southern Nevada, there are 400 seniors on the waiting list.